Yeah, so this is what I have right here. As you can see, my left signal's going. And then back here we have both the left and the right flashing. So now what I'll do is I will put it over in the right. So again, now we have the right turn signal. And then we have, again, both rears going. Another thing I've done is I've replaced the let's see here. So this flasher can right here is the one for the hazards. The one for the turn signals wasn't there, so I just swapped them over. That and getting new bulbs really got my flashers back up and working, at least to where I had full lights all the way around. Now I just don't have, now I just have both of these going whenever I'm on right or left. So that's just been kind of the thing I've been struggling with. The first thing I did do was get a new switch on here. Yeah, so that's a brand new switch. And that, even a little bit, did seem to help. Yeah, but I don't know, figure out much else past that. Yeah.